Welcome to your daily English dose.
Let's learn common phrases.
Flog a dead horse.
It means wasting no results. Now you try, repeat it.
Thank you for being through thick and thin.
It means in every good or bad time. Now you try, repeat it. Alas, my heart is broken. Why must fate be so cruel?
It means to act in an exaggerated, over-the-top theatric. Now you repeat the phrase.
What do we do now? Sorry, it is every man for himself. Throw someone to the wolves. It means to sacrifice someone to save yourself. Now you try, repeat it.
Let's just play it by ear.
Ha! It means to decide to deal with a situation as it develops. Now you repeat the phrase.
Wow! Perfect! You nailed it! Use this to tell someone they did something perfectly. Repeat, you nailed it! I am completely exhausted. I am going to hit the sack. This means to go to sleep. Now, you repeat the phrase.
I hope these gifts will help your family. She is a down-to-earth lady. It means sensible and realistic. Now, repeat it. Hello, students. Read the following questions and try to say answer by yourself. Also, write in the comment box.
What do you mean by play it by ear?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by you nailed it?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by flog a dead horse?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by throw someone to the wolves?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by chew the celery?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by through thick and thin?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by hit the sack?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct. What do you mean by down to earth?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, correct.
Superb! You answered all the questions correctly. Very good job.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.